Okay, guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna quickly run through this overview session of SCCM training. So I will um, give you information about this product. So this is a Microsoft product. Microsoft developed this product in the year 1993. So this product is there in the market um, for since 1993. Okay. Now, so the old name of this product is SMS, System Management Server. Then Microsoft changed this name to SCCM when they have changed in the year 2007. Okay. Previously, we used to call it as SMS, System Management Server. Now the new name is SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager. Okay. Now this was System Center Configuration Manager for so many years, but in the year 2019, they changed it to MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, and that happened in 2019. Okay. Now, so the new name of this product, so this was the old one, first name, second name, SCCM, and third name, MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. Now, what is this product? Why do we need this product? This product is to manage devices. Manage devices. Now, what all devices you can manage? You can manage Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then you can manage Windows Server, server management. You can do 2016, 2019, and 2022. You can manage these servers. Okay. Plus, you can manage MacBook, Mac operating system. Okay. So Windows 10 and Windows 11 desktop, you can manage desktop, laptop, or virtual machines. Similarly, you can manage uh, physical or virtual servers like 2016, 2019, and 2022, and you can manage MacBook. Okay. Now, this product was um, released by Microsoft, and it is being utilized in almost all big size and medium size organization. Wherever you go, you will find this in everywhere, whether you are in US, Canada, Australia, India. So it is being utilized in almost all big size and medium size organization. Okay. Now, why you should learn this product? So this is a matured product. Matured, basically it's a matured technology. So it is there in the market for the past almost like 30 years, right? Or more than that. Then this product is there in almost all big size and medium size organization. Point number three, you don't need to learn. So you don't need to learn any coding languages here. So no programming languages. Okay, no programming language. Like you don't need to learn Python or Java or any other coding languages. Point number four is you have good right now. I cannot say you have good vacancy because after COVID-19 this is going little down, but you have good, still you have good vacancy, and you have good salary. People who are working on this are getting good salary. So in US somewhere around 50 USD per hour. Okay, 50 US dollar per hour you can expect. Point number six is resource availability. Resource availability. So in case if you are stuck somewhere, you just Google it out. You will get online resources to fix the problem. Okay. Point number 7, good um, future. So you can make your career in this one as SCCM admin level 1, level 2, level 3 administrator. Okay. Point number 8 is easy to learn. Okay. So it's a matured technology, good vacancies. I mean, it's there in big size and medium size organization. You don't need to learn any programming languages. Good vacancies, good salary, resources are available, good future, easy to learn. So that's the reason you should learn this technology, right? SCCM. Now, in our training, we are going to do the theory plus practical. Theory plus practical. So each one of you will have to do the theory plus practical. So I'll help you with the lab setup. So you need to have a computer. Basically, each one of you, you need to have Windows computer. Windows, either PC or laptop. Okay, Windows computer. And on that one, the operating system should be either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay. Then the minimum configuration of RAM, random access memory should be 16 GB. Okay. Then processor. How much processor is required? 4-core processor. Okay. 4-core processor. Point number 5, hard disk. How much space is required? Minimum 150 GB free space is needed. Okay. So this is the lab requirement, guys. Each one of you, you need to have a Windows computer, Windows 10 or Windows 11, minimum 16 GB RAM, 4-core processor, and minimum 150 GB hard disk free space. Now we will start from scratch. Okay. I will show you the course content. If you have not received the course content, I will share the course content with you guys. So the training duration is going to be for, basically I have written 1 month, but it will go up to, it is around 35 sessions. Okay, so it will go a little more from 1 month. Okay, Monday to Saturday, 1 hour session daily basis. We will do practical, basic to advanced level. Session will get recorded. You will get course completion certificate. Content, course content, I will share this link with you guys. This is the demo link and this is my number. Now, in the training, we will start from module number 1, which talks about SCCM overview, the primary site, central administration site, and then secondary site and all. Then you have um, from module number 2, we will start doing the practical. We will implement server. We will do the server installation and then we'll install primary site server. Then we will do discovery and organizing resources, managing the configuration manager client, managing inventory and software metering, querying and reporting data, managing software deployment by using application model and package model. Then we have deploying and managing software updates, managing operating system deployment. Then implementing endpoint protection by using System Center Configuration Manager, managing compliance setting and profile, mobile device management, Intune. Basically, this is Intune. I will show you a little bit about Intune. Then configuring power management and remote control, site maintenance, additional addition of new secondary site, and the miscellaneous topic. So all these topics will take a month to finish everything. Like more than 1 month it will take to finish all these topics step by step. Okay, guys. Now, so that is about the course content. Now, the training duration, uh, training time. We will do 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. India time. 8 to 9 a.m. from Monday. So Monday is what? I think it's 10th of March. 10th March. So for you, those who are in US, it is gonna be 9th March for you, right? And it is Monday for us. It will be Sunday for you. Okay, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. daily basis, 1 hour session, Monday to Saturday. That will be Sunday to Friday for you, those who are in US. And it's gonna take 30, maximum 32 sessions to finish all the topics. Okay, guys.
Yeah, got it.
So those who have any question, let me know. Hmm? No question?
Is the RAM really need to be 16 GB? Like I don't know.
How
I
much
need to
RAM
check
is
with
it?
them. I think it should be a 8 GB of RAM.
8 GB is okay, but it will give you performance issue. So 16 GB is the recommended one. If you
Okay,
don't
okay.
have if you don't have lab, right? I mean,
Mm-hmm.
the configuration is not there in your computer, then we will have to go on cloud. Okay.
Okay.
So in the cloud, like on Microsoft Azure data center, we will create virtual machines in the cloud. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be in the cloud and you can remotely connect to these machines from your laptop. For example, this is your laptop and you can remotely connect to these machines in the cloud too. And your lab will be here. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Any other question from anyone? Hmm? No question? Excuse me. So this is my WhatsApp number. Those who are interested to continue the session from Monday, 10th of March, you let me know that you will continue the session from Monday so that I can add you in the group. Plus, I will send you the course enrollment and fees details. Okay, guys? Any
Okay,
question?
got it.
Hmm?
Yeah, good.
Okay, fine. So those who are interested to continue the session from Monday onwards, you can contact me. I will let you know the fees and other details for the enrollment process.
I got it. Thanks.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Lal is not available. Okay.
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah, I
Okay.
got you.
Okay. So that's it from my side. In case if you guys have any question or anything, you can reach me. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
sure, Kashif.
Bye,
I will
everyone.
coordinate with all of them and I will
Mm.
let you know the status.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, so thank you, Kashif.